Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sixth Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 60. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wenzhou, Julian, and the cousin. Right now, there's a male cousin that approaching them, and it seems that he really wanted this. Wenzhou, what does the person I wrote have to do with you? Well, it makes sense. Wenzhou, she was staring, but Julian, she wanted to protect her and said, eat your food and leave us alone. Now, looking at Julian, she looks like she's really getting angry on her cousin. Well, the third cousin, it's not like she doesn't have any mouth, but why does she want you to speak for her? This person, she continued to tease them, but it seems that Julian, she doesn't care anymore. You know that Sister Julian's temper, you dares to provoke her. How can I confer with you? Well, if a person is so angry about losing a caris, well, it seems that everyone seems to be quiet. There's a commotion between the female cousin versus the male cousin, and now it really makes sense. The situation, it's really getting awkward. But it's the meantime, the first and the second cousin are talking. He is our eldest aunt's adopted daughter, and we are surprising that she came in. Given her relationship with our sixth sister, she is also considered a member of the family. The combination of yin and yang is the way of heaven and earth, but it's the end of the road. Well, his second cousin is talking about her perception. Well, Chow Chow, we don't care. It seems that Yulian, she was looking on her cousin, but Provencio, it seems that she don't even care, but carefully she was watching her background. But look at it, she looks really sad after seeing her that she was acting like that. Now, Julian, she's getting angry, but she thinks that her sister, it's really teased by her cousin. Chow Chow, did you hear the dog barking? We were eating, but it couldn't control its animal nature. Julian, why are you arguing with that beast? Don't scare Sister Wenchel, the other cousin said. But now, looking at the situation, all the boy's cousin is really something. It seems that they're really cooking something for Julian and also for Wenchel. It makes sense. This family dinner, it's really getting hotter. And also, they're all after you. Still, you're smiling. It seems that Wen Zhao, she was plotting something. Look at her. She's not really bothered. Also, she was really great at this. Still, the voice cousin still looking at them. But Wen Zhao suddenly, she put a lipstick on. Could it be that she was plotting something, that's why she puts the lipstick on, but don't want to eat? The voice, it seems that they really got mesmerized of the beauty. Wenjo, they really keep staring at her. After applying the lipstick, it will be smudged again. But Wenjo, she keeps staring on Yulian, and Yulian, her face, she's really flashing. Could it be that she's going to tease her and said, it doesn't matter? Well, after saying that word, Yulian, Wenjo finally, she was moving closer to Yulian and she kissed her gently. Well, this is the first time that the family consider acting like that. Oh, one of the female cousin, it seems to be getting crazy over this, saying Yulian face that it was having a lipstick mark. Of course, it is really crazy. Do you think the sixth sister is on the top or the bottom? Why doesn't it feel like the momentum is getting reversed? Oh, this girl. They're really talking about the two of them, but the boys, they're really sulking and keep staring at them. Well, Could it be that Julian, this time, said to Wancho that she really need to be gentle, probably because they can be seen by the family, but the cousin right now, they're really getting crazy about hers. It hurts. Please, hold it gently. Well, at first, I won't kiss you next time. Wen just said to Julian, "Oh, what are you doing?" After that, it seems that the older brother of the Su family is finally arrived. Well, Xiaoming, you're fucked. Julian's mother, she keeps staring at her older father, but she was only silent. She only keeps staring at him. Could it be that she was plotting something or else? Well, let's see and let's hope that there's no more commotion and the party will become successful. Second sister, you are here too. Julian is here. His name is Su Shuangming. He was the eldest of the Su family. Well, it seems to be. He is really good looking. Rather, did you choose to come back today on purpose? Yulian's mother said to her older brother, "I haven't seen you for a few years. I only came back once after a year. I only come back here once a year for Dad's birthday party." Well, it makes sense. "Dad, what do you want to do?" The older brother said to his father, "Well, let's see what's gonna happen. It seems that the atmosphere it's really getting heated up. Well, let's see that there's no more commotion. I heard that more than 10 years ago my uncle's enemies attacked him and he was robbed on the road and the car had his leg broken. It seems that there's something happened before, but what could be wrong? Her uncle was fine. He left and came back at this time. It's possible that he also unaware of the matter of the hair. Well, let's see. But looking at Julian, it seems that Wenchel, she was something or she remembers something about this person. Could it be that he is the biological father of Wenchel? Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Who is she? Wenchel, she kept asking herself, but until now it seems that she was remembering the fragment of the past. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.